Our planet is a treasure chest of diverse ecosystems, each teeming with unique wildlife and natural phenomena. Rainforests, often called Earth's lungs, are rich with towering trees, vibrant plants, and diverse creatures. The ocean depths hold mysteries with its vast blue expanse and incredible marine life. Mountains, standing tall, are home to various wildlife and provide a unique environment above the clouds. Deserts, though arid, support specialized plants and resilient animals adapted to harsh conditions. These ecosystems are interconnected, maintaining Earth's balance. Protecting them is essential for our planet's health.